What is AI? Artificial intelligence. How does it work and where is AI used? AI, OpenAI, ChatGPT and machine learning, all these terms have been hyped over the last 2 years. At this point, it's kind of a bubble a bit, and there is a lot of misunderstanding among people and among businesses. So in this video, I will answer all these questions and also give you a few hints on how you can leverage AI and machine learning in your life and in your business to make it more efficient and save some time and money with it. So grab your drink and stay with me until the end of this video. Now, you might ask, who is this guy? I am Vitaliy Podoba, the founder of a software development agency named SoftFormance. We help our clients, business owners and startup founders build profitable software and leverage AI within their projects. In other words, we are kind of behind the scenes magicians turning AI dreams into reality for businesses, big and small, and we are good at it. What is AI and how it works? Explaining complex technology in simple terms is not an easy task, but I will give it a try. Artificial intelligence got its name for a reason. It's based on neural networks at the core of the human brain's functions. A neural network is a method designed to imitate the human brain to create an artificial one with all its advantages and disadvantages. And the best part is that while the neural network mechanism is simple by its nature, the result it produces and its ability to improve and learn on its own make it really harder for creators, for software developers, for scientists to predict the outcomes of neural network applications. Just as human brains has many mysteries for scientists, the neural network remains a kind of black box for data scientists and software engineers. This is the most exciting and the most dangerous aspect of neural networks and AI in general. And to understand how AI works, we first need to understand how human brain works. As a child grows, their brain develops and produces better results over time, right? This development relies on 3 core components, and the first one is knowledge. Take my 4-year-old kid Alex, for example. I read books with him daily so he can learn about the world. This is the foundation, the knowledge, the theory. You need to know the multiplication table to solve complex math equations, right? However, knowledge alone is not enough to rise a scientist. Knowledge can be misinterpreted or misused, and math equations can be solved incorrectly despite having all the theoretical knowledge, right? This is where the second component comes into play: training. Every kid in school has a teacher who assigns and checks homework, administers exams, and provides feedback. Now the student will know whether they applied their knowledge correctly to solve practical tasks. The third component, not as clear but very important, help us grow into not just smart but good people who follow society rules and don't hurt others. This includes things like religious beliefs, laws, and traffic rules, for example, and without them we couldn't tell the right from wrong or kind from mean. And for a child to develop into a reasonable and intelligent adult, our brains need all 3 components: knowledge, training, and rules. The artificial intelligence brain, or AI, needs all the same things. It's created in a very similar way. Data scientists feed their neural networks with tons of information, books, and common knowledge from the internet. Then, through human-based or automated training, they teach AI the right and the wrong solutions to practical problems and tasks. And finally, software engineers implement numerous workarounds, restrictions, and regulations around the neural network's capabilities to make it adequate, ensuring it's not harmful and understands what is good and what is bad. So now I hope this explanation makes AI more evident for you, and if it clicked for you, I would love it if you share this video with your friends who still don't fully grasp AI technology principles. What AI is not. AI is not a magic pill that will automatically improve your life or your business. Like the human brain with its flaws and complexities, AI can be used as an assistant to handle basic tasks, but it still requires expert oversight and refinement. AI, like human brains, can make mistakes and sometimes produce completely incorrect outputs and results. Often, its output might be 70 to 80% accurate or too vague without an extra human touch. Among programmers and scientists, there is a saying: if you can develop your app or your software without using AI and ML, then do so with a simple algorithm instead. It will be Easier, it will be 100% correct all the time, and you will always know the reason behind the output. Thus, AI and machine learning are tools to help people work more efficiently, but currently, AI cannot fully replace a human expert or professional. However, in the future, it is expected to improve and become an independent tool capable of completing any task in any industry we need. Where is AI used? The application of AI is already extensive and diverse. People and businesses are utilizing AI and ML across various industries. In healthcare, it is for treatment recommendations and drug development. In finance, for algorithmic trading and fraud detection and personal finance. In customer service, for chatbots and virtual assistants. In transportation, for self-driving cars and traffic management. In manufacturing, it is for supply chain management and predictive maintenance. In entertainment and media, for content recommendation and game development. In education, for personalized learning. In marketing, for targeted advertising and content creation, and in security, for surveillance and cyber threat detection. How can you leverage AI in your life and in your business? 2 years ago, my agency SoftFormance began incorporating AI tools across every department. We use ChatGPT to write software code and marketing materials. We use Canvas UI tool powered by AI, which helps us create visuals, slide decks, and video content. And for market research and sales forecasting, we rely on specialized AI software. We also developed an integrated AI chatbots to enhance service for our clients and website visitors. Also, our CRM benefits from AI integration, where we improved lead follow-up process. Also, AI has even been integrated into our HR and recruitment processes, basically to refine hiring and onboarding. But AI is not just for digital realm or agencies like us or tech giants. We are embedding AI and machine learning into our client software, adding small yet impactful enhancements here and there. I would say AI is for everyone. Do you own a cafe? Imagine a chatbot that knows your client's order before they do. Are you running an online store? AI can anticipate your customers' preferences, making you an unmatched salesperson. The trick is finding where AI can take over the boring stuff from your plate and letting you focus on the fun parts of your business. And the best part here, starting is not hard. A little creativity and you are halfway there. Now hit the like button and share this video with your friends to help the algorithm spread the word. And if you're interested in learning more about AI and machine learning, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.